Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a broken spirit with faith-based counseling, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by acknowledging the emotional pain associated with a broken spirit. Recognize that healing is a journey, and faith-based counseling can provide valuable support. Start by finding a qualified faith-based counselor who aligns with your beliefs and values. Reach out to your chosen counselor and schedule an initial appointment. In your first session, openly express your feelings and experiences to create a strong foundation for healing. Set clear personal goals for what you hope to achieve through counseling. Engage in prayer and meditation to seek guidance and strength during your healing process. Participate actively in each counseling session by sharing your thoughts and emotions. Work with your counselor to explore the underlying issues contributing to your broken spirit. Incorporate biblical principles and teachings into your discussions to foster understanding and hope. Practice self-compassion by acknowledging your struggles without judgment. Implement coping strategies suggested by your counselor to manage negative thoughts and emotions. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends and family who share your faith. Explore faith-based resources such as books, podcasts, and sermons that can enrich your understanding. Reflect on your spiritual journey and identify moments of growth and resilience. Journal your thoughts and feelings regularly to track your progress over time. Celebrate small victories along the way, recognizing that healing takes time. Consider joining a faith-based support group to share your experiences with others facing similar challenges. Remain patient and committed to the process, trusting that healing is possible. End each session with a prayer, asking for continued strength and guidance on your journey. Be open to change and growth, knowing that recovery is a transformative experience. Stay connected to your faith as a source of comfort and inspiration throughout your recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.